Hi everybody, welcome to week 4, module 4. This week we're going to be looking specifically at servant leadership and transformational leadership, applying it to your specific environment. So each week we're looking at a few different approaches to leadership. So there's some readings on these topics, and then there's another matrix entry, so where you're describing the theory and then talking about the positives and negatives, applying it to your own experience, and then a couple of discussion boards, one where you reply to each other. And again, there's only 2 of you left, so if just do what you can do. Get your initial post in there, you're good. Okay, so here is the individual assignment for the matrix. Here is, the second section is about servant leadership. And so here's some information, a reading. Robert Greenleaf is really the founder of and is associated with servant leadership. And here's a specific example. So it's a question and answer session between sailors on the USS Washington and the Master Chief Petty Officer of the Navy. You all probably know all those words better than I. What are some of the potential ways that leader is engaged in transformational and servant leadership, and what are some of the ways they could use them more? And if you were in this role, how might you have communicated differently? So for this one, do your post and then respond to the other person. And then for the second post that does not require responses, we're taking a look at Herb Kelleher, so the founder and CEO of Southwest Airlines, who is a classic example of a strong, positive culture. And so here is your assignment or your reflection post. As you review the servant leadership model, how does Herb Kelleher activate those characteristics? Was there anything radical or strange? What type of attitude might this flight attendant take to work with her after the occurrence? So this one's always interesting if you've been on Southwest. So just make a post here of your thoughts, and that wraps it up for the week. So let me know if you have any questions.